Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in outdoor gear and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of camping essentials with a spotlight on the Coleman Skylodge screened canopy tent. If you're in the market for the best kitchen tent for camping, you're in the right place. The Coleman Skylodge is not your average canopy tent. With its instant setup feature, spacious design, and bug-free lounging capabilities, it's a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Let's break down why this tent stands out from the crowd. First up, let's talk setup. With the Coleman Skylodge, you can say goodbye to the hassle of traditional tent assembly. Thanks to its innovative design, this canopy tent can be set up in as fast as 1 minute. That means more time enjoying the great outdoors and less time wrestling with poles and stakes. Now, let's talk space. Whether you're planning a picnic, camping trip, or backyard barbecue, the Coleman Skylodge has you covered. With dimensions of 15 by 13 feet, this tent provides a whopping 41.6 square feet of shade, with a generous 7-foot center height. That's plenty of room for cooking, dining, and relaxing with friends and family. One of the standout features of the Coleman Skylodge is its screened walls, which keep pesky mosquitoes and bugs at bay. Say goodbye to itchy bug bites and hello to uninterrupted outdoor enjoyment. Whether you're lounging in the backyard or camping in the wilderness, this tent ensures bug-free relaxation every time. Last but not least, let's talk about durability. Built to withstand the elements, the Coleman Skylodge features double-thick fabric that stands up to season after season of use. Plus, with 2 large doors for easy entry from either side of the tent, it's as convenient as it is rugged. Whether you're braving strong winds or beating the heat, this tent has you covered. And there you have it, folks, the Coleman Skylodge screened canopy tent. The ultimate solution for bug-free lounging and outdoor entertainment. If you're ready to elevate your camping experience, look no further than this top-of-the-line kitchen tent. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your go-to source for all things outdoor gear. Until next time, happy camping!